A severe snowstorm has struck the United States, leading to multiple fatalities. Power outages have affected over 1 million households, leading 20 states to declare a state of emergency. Authorities are urging people to stay indoors safely. Reporting from Washington, Kang Young-gu.
A powerful snowstorm of up to 60 centimeters has hit the United States. Vehicles have been stranded in various locations, and over 14,000 flights have been cancelled. The weight of the snow caused tree branches and power lines to snap, leading to widespread power outages and fires, resulting in at least 8 deaths due to hypothermia and other causes.
But it is brutal, it is bone-chilling, and it is dangerous. And if you can stay home with these extremely cold temperatures and hazardous roads, you and your family will be much, much safer.
The severe winter damage spread widely from the Rocky Mountains in the Midwest to the East Coast. Federal government offices in Washington, D.C. also closed, and schools were ordered to shut down. The heavy snowstorm has completely buried car wheels under thick layers of snow. Over 20 states, including D.C. and Virginia, have declared emergencies and urged people indoors. President Trump called it a historic winter storm and approved emergency declarations for severely affected states. Even after the snowstorm, extreme cold is expected to persist for over a week, with U.S. weather authorities estimating 180 million people will be affected. Kang Young-gu, MBN News, Washington.